Hello. Yes, hello. You came back to talk to me. Yes, you did. You came back. Aw, sweet little baby. Yes. Oh, I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you for talking to us. Hello, beautiful lights. Me and the birds, the crows, are here to talk story with you. Yes, little babies. They're everywhere. We've got little babies. It's a little crow family here. They're coming to talk story. Here they are. They're everywhere in this tree, just talking away to me. Hello. Oh, that's a raven, is it? Oh, he liked it. Hello, they're saying hi. Spirit saying hi to you guys. Love you, lights. Love you.